Here's a 2-minute tip. Today we're going to learn all the keyboard shortcuts for the Node tool in Affinity Designer. The first shortcut you should know is that if you have the pen tool out, you can temporarily switch to the Node tool by holding down Command or Ctrl. Or you can just press A to switch to the Node tool. Now with the Node tool, you can click on a node to select it, and then move it around. But if you hold down Shift, then you will only move the node in 45-degree increments from where it started. You can also adjust a node's handles, but if you hold down Shift, you will only affect one handle without moving the other. This is perfect for when you need a smooth, yet unsymmetrical curve. If you hold down Alt or Option, you will still only affect one of the node's handles, but this time it will snap the handle from being in line with the first one. This will create a sharp point on your curve. You can also click and drag on the curve in between two nodes. That will adjust the handles of the two nodes that determine the curve. With a node selected, you can press Delete to get rid of it. Or you can click once anywhere on your curve to add a new node. If you want to select multiple nodes, hold down Shift and then click on as many nodes as you want. Then you can affect all of the selected nodes at the same time. Or you can click and drag to make a selection marquee. And finally, if you click on a node at either end of your curve and then get the pen tool out, you can continue drawing your curve, leaving off from the node you selected. To learn the best techniques for all the tools in Affinity Designer, you can check out our beginner's guide in the video description. Thanks for watching, my friends, and I'll see you in the next Affinity Revolution tutorial.